Zhang Xinqing, also known by his English name Steven Zhang, is a Chinese actor and singer recognized for his versatile performances in television dramas and films. Early life and education. Born on 24 August 1995 in Jingzhou, Hubei Province, China, Zhang aspired to become a professional dancer during his childhood. In pursuit of this goal, he moved to Beijing in 2008 to attend the affiliated secondary school of the Beijing Dance Academy. His academic excellence was evident when, in 2014, he secured top positions in entrance examinations for several prestigious performing arts institutions, including the Central Academy of Drama, Beijing Film Academy, People's Liberation Army Academy of Art, and Shanghai Theatre Academy. He chose to enroll at the Central Academy of Drama, where he earned a bachelor's degree in musical theatre. Career. Zhang's acting journey began in 2013 with his debut in the short film School Bus. He showcased his musical talents by releasing two singles, Be Here For You, featured in the film The Story of He Jinnei, and Believe Love Still Exists, part of the web series Heartbreak Emergency Department. His early involved roles in various short films, and in 2015, he signed with the entertainment company EA Media. In 2016, Zhang gained attention for his performance in the television drama Shuttle Love Millennium. However, came in 2017 with the campus web series My Huckleberry Friends, where he portrayed Lin Yang. This role earned him a Newcomer of the Year award at the IQIYI Scream Night. Zhang continued to go with diverse roles. 2018, starred in the sports drama The Strongest Men of God. 2019, starred in the youth historical drama Young Blood. The year 2020 marked significant success for Zhang with leading roles in two acclaimed dramas, Skate Into Love, portrayed Li Yubing, a collegiate ice hockey player, in this sports romance drama. Go Ahead, played his slice of life family drama, a role that resonated with audiences and critics alike. His performances in these several awards and led to his inclusion in Forbes China's 30 Under 30 list for 2020, highlighting influential individuals under 30 who have made significant impacts in their fields. In 2021, Zhang expanded his repertoire by participating in the 6th season of Who's the Murderer and starring in multiple series, The Day of Becoming You, a romantic comedy where he played the lead role. The Justice, a commercial war drama Republic of China era. Discography. Beyond acting, contributed to various soundtracks and released singles, including 2014, Be Here For You for The Story of He Jinnei, 2014, Believe Love for Heartbreak Emergency Department, 2018, Cheer for Youth, 2019, What Dreams Are Like, Young Blood, 2020, A Ray of Hope and Tempting Heart for Skate Into Love. Awards and recognition. 2017, Best New Actor at the 7th IKI All-Star Carnival for My Huckleberry Friends. 2019, Youth Role Model at the CCTV Spring Gala. 2020, Forbes China 30 Under 30 Honorary. Personal life. Zhang is known for his multifaceted talents, including singing, dancing, playing musical instruments like the piano and guitar, and performing acrobatics. His training also encompasses traditional Chinese arts such as speaking opera. Thanks for watching.